Hello, good morning, children. Again, you are welcome after a long time. I hope you are safe at your home, and I'm not saying that you are enjoying your time because in the situation which we are facing nowadays, it is totally, we can say uh, that is not good for us. Not for us, for all the people, for the humanity. Or day by day, that is the percent of coronavirus are increasing. Okay, now. So after a long, we can say break, I welcome you all here. And what we have discussed, that was given to you in by your YouTube in my lectures. Okay. So now I'm going to discuss more about the chapters. This is our book First Flight, and in this book, the chapter number 5th, the 100 Race. Okay, the 100 Races, written by E.L. Basor Easter. The new words are also there. In this chapter, there are two chapters. Okay, there are two chapters which we are going to discuss. First, 100 Races first, and second is 100 Races second. Understand? Before we are going to read this chapter, I am going to explain you कि इसमें there is a girl whose name is Wanda, and she is a police. The people who migrate from other country to from the country to other country, that is, these are known as the police people. So, and you know what we are going to discuss, that we can judge a person by his we can say appearance. This is not true. कि किसी बंदे को हम उसकी अपीयरेंस से जज नहीं कर सकते, उनके कपड़ों से उसको जज नहीं कर सकते. In this chapter we are also going to discuss the same, that by that money, wealth and we can say passions, or there is something of more enduring value to look for in the person. यानी हम बंदे को हम उसकी पैसे से, हेल्थ से या मनी से उसको जज नहीं कर सकते. We can judge only by his mind, we can say उसका दिमाग कैसा है, वो कैसा सोचता है, उसके विचार कैसे हैं, इन सब चीज़ों से हम उसको जज कर सकते हैं. Is that clear? This story is a sensitive account of how a poor young girl is judged by her classmates. एक गरीब बच्ची, a poor young girl, how she was judged by her own classmates. When she entered in the class, how she was judged by them. Wanda Petrosky is a young Polish girl who goes to school with other American children in an American town. That is the story of America. The name of the girl is Wanda Petrosky, who is also joining school there. The other children see Wanda as different in many ways. And what the children see Wanda, that she was completely different in many ways from the children of America. And I am going to tell you about the information about the Polish people. Is that clear? The first Polish immigrants arrived in America in 1608. So Polish migrations होते हैं, immigrants होते हैं, they came in 1608 in America. But the largest wave of Polish immigrants occurred in the early 20th century. लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा Polish people कब आए? Early in the 20th century. That was the 20th century early, when more than 1 million Polish migrated to the United States. 1 million Polish people had migrated to the United States. They had gone to United States. The Polish state did not exist at the time, and the immigrants were identified according to their country of origin rather than to ethnicity. यानी people जो आए थे उनको अपनी कंट्री से रिगार्ड किया जाता था, उनकी पर्सनल कुछ नहीं था उसके साथ. They were identified as a Russian Poles, German Poles and Australian Poles. People who came from Russia, they were known as a Russian Poles. People who came from Germany, they were the German Poles. इस तरीके से उनको आइडेंटिफाई किया जाता था. One of the most notable police American communities is in Chicago and its suburb. So Chicago is sometimes called the second largest police city in the world. Chicago is in America ना? शिकागो को सेकंड लार्जेस्ट पुलिस सिटी बोला जाता था, नेक्स्ट ओनली टू वॉर्सो, द कैपिटल ऑफ पोलैंड. Police American were sometimes discriminated against in the United States, as were the Irish, Italian and Jews. अमेरिकन स्टेट में उनको डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया गया था यूनाइटेड जैसे किससे, आयरिश पीपल से, इटालियन से और ज्यूज से. अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूनाइटेड स्टेट 2000 सेंसस, अमेरिकन 6674.4 American of age 5 years and older reported police as the language spoken at home. और उनको कैसे डिसाइड किया कि ये पुलिस पीपल हैं, उनकी जो लैंग्वेज है उनके आधार पर. हमारे देश में जो राज्य बने हैं, स्टेट्स बने हैं, मोस्टली उन पे किसका प्रभाव पड़ा है, लैंग्वेज का, भाषा का. जैसे हरियाणवी लैंग्वेज हरियाणा, तेलुगु हैदराबादी जो है, तमिल, इस तरीके से भाषा का असर पड़ा जिससे हमारे स्टेट्स डिवाइड हुए हैं. और 0.25% of US population. That was the introduction of the chapter, and now I am going to explain the chapter, the story of a little girl Wanda. It is a very interesting story. We will discuss that story today, Monday. Wanda Petronsky was not in her seat, but nobody, not even Peggy and Madeline. These are the two characters also most important, Peggy and Maddie. ये दो लड़कियां, they are also very important character in this chapter. कह रहा है कि Wanda was not sitting on her seat. It was the day of Monday. The girls who started all the fun noticed her absence. क्या लिखा है इसमें कि वो जो गर्ल्स, they were making fun of Wanda. वो वांडा का फन, मजाक उड़ाती थी. वो कोई गरीब बच्चा क्लास के अंदर आ जाए या फिर अजीब सा दिखने वाला बच्चा अगर क्लास के अंदर आ जाए तो ये स्वाभाविक ही है कि बच्चे उसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इसीलिए अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, इसीलिए स्कूल ने यूनिफॉर्म डिसाइड की है. मैंने कहीं पढ़ा नहीं लेकिन दिमाग से बता रहा हूँ कि यूनिफॉर्म्स जो ऐसे हैं कि कोई पैसे वाला हो चाहे वो गरीब हो, वो एक यूनिफॉर्म में आएगा. वो क्या करती थी, दोनों गर्ल्स, दे यूज्ड टू मेक फन ऑफ वांडा, but they were surprised because Wanda was not on her seat on Monday. Usually Wanda sat in the seat next to the last seat in the last row in room 13. कहाँ बैठती थी वो, लास्ट सीट से जस्ट पहले, रूम नंबर 13. She sat in the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not make good marks sat, यानी बैक बेंचर्स. She always sit in the corner of the room where the rough boys, तो rough boys होते हैं जो कभी भी स्टडी में अच्छे नहीं होते, पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं होते, बदमाश बच्चे, उनके पास बैठती थी. The corner of the room where there was most scuffling of feet. Scuffling of feet का मतलब होता है nosy dragging movement of the feet on the ground. पैर घसीटना, बैठे बैठे भी वो पैर घसीटते थे अपने बच्चे. Most roars of laughter when anything funny was said. अगर कोई मजाक कर लेता, if somebody was cracking joke, who were laughing most? The backbenchers. और ये usually होता है when a teacher comes in the class, he comes in the class or she comes in the class, always the teacher focus on the backbenchers. क्यों? उसको पता होता है कि गड़बड़ कहाँ हो सकती है. I am a teacher, I knew that very well. ओके ना, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि बैक बेंचर्स इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होते. तुम्हारी क्लास के अंदर तुम लोगों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ, बहुत से बॉयज दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, बट प्राउड फील मत करना इस चीज़ का, ज़्यादा घमंड मत कर लेना. सो roars was most cavilling of feet, most roars of laughter when anything funny was said, and most mud and dirt on the floor. जब भी कोई मजाक की बात होती पीछे से हंसते थे, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मड, कीचड़ जो होता था, जब मिट्टी जो होती थी वो पीछे वाले भाग में ज़्यादा होती थी, क्योंकि वो पैरों पे लगा के लाते थे, जूतों पे. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and nosy. On the contrary, she was very quiet and rarely said anything at all. कह रहे हैं कि वांदा वहां नहीं बैठती थी आगे, क्योंकि the other children were also thinking that this is also not a good girl. But इसके contrary, इसके विपरीत क्या था? Wanda was a very nice girl. She was very sweet girl, and she was also obedient student. And nobody had ever heard her laugh out loud, and she never laughed loudly. Sometimes she twisted her mouth into a crooked sort of smile. कभी कभी अपनी माउथ को ट्विस्ट कर लेती थी crooked sort of smile के लिए, थोड़ा सा हंसने के मूड में. But that was all. बस यही था काफी. Nothing was more. Nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat in the seat. कोई ये नहीं जानता था कि वांदा वहां क्यों बैठती थी. Unless it was because she came all the way from Bogging Heights and her feet were usually caked with dry mud. What the writer is saying? Writer कह रहा है कि Wanda used to sit in the last in front of the last row because the girl belonged to Bogging Heights. और बोगिंग हाइट्स की वहां पे क्या पहचान थी? झुग्गी झोपड़ी, गरीब बच्चे, स्लम जो होते हैं, स्लम एरिया होता है ना, वहां से बिलोंग करती थी वो बच्ची, गरीब थी वो. और एक पुलिस माइग्रेशन हुआ था उसका, माइग्रेट करके आई थी वो लड़की. दैट इज व्हाई दे आर सेइंग. Unless it was because she came all the way from Bogging Heights and her feet were usually caked with dry mud. उसके पैर तो थे, यानी जो पैर थे, जूते बोल सकते अपन, कुछ भी पहनती थी, वो हमेशा ड्राई मड से, सूखे मिट्टी से सने हुए होते थे. But no one really thought much about Wanda Petrosinski once she sat in the corner of the room. But nobody was worried about that girl, कि where she was sitting and why she was sitting and from where she came. Nobody was taking any interest that girl. The time when they thought about Wanda was outside of school hours. बच्चे जब उसको तंग करते थे, यहाँ पे लिख रखा कि थॉट का मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको याद करना ना, उसका मतलब होता है कि बच्चे उसको तंग करते थे. कब? आफ्टर द आवर्स ऑफ द स्कूल. At noon time when they were coming back to school, or in the morning early before school began. At noon, afternoon में, maybe that was the recess time, or they were coming after the school, उसको छेड़ते थे बच्ची को, या फिर before the morning, before school start, तब. When groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to schoolyard. Maybe 2 girls, maybe 3 girls, maybe 4 girls. After school or before the school, they were talking and laughing about Wanda. That time when they thought about would be talking and laughing on their way to schoolyard, then sometimes they waited for Wanda to have fun with her. कभी कभी वो पहले आ जाते थे, तो क्या करते थे? They used to wait. वो वांदा का वेट करते थे to make fun of her. The next day, Tuesday, Monday तो हो गया. On Monday she was absent. Peggy and Maddie were also thinking ये 2 लड़कियां थी जो शैतान थी, बदमाशी करती थी उसके साथ. But on Tuesday, Wanda was not in school either, and nobody noticed her absence again. On Monday she was absent, on Tuesday she was absent, but nobody paid any attention. Absent जब बच्चा रहता है तो क्या होता है, या तो वो इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा होगा तो टीचर नोटिस में लाएगा कि वो बच्चा absent क्यों है, या कोई बदमाश बच्चा होता है तब टीचर कहता है कि वो आज कहाँ गया, या फिर उसके जो फ्रेंड होते हैं उसके पास बैठने वाले वो नोटिस करते हैं. लेकिन वांडा को किसी ने नोटिस नहीं किया क्योंकि nobody was interested in that we can say friend. That is why they did not pay any attention towards Wanda. वो absent थी. मंडे को मैंने बताया तुम लोगों को, शी वॉज ए पॉलिश गर्ल लिविंग इन द बोगिंग हाइट्स, जहाँ पे गरीब बच्चे रहते हैं, गरीब तबके के बच्चे रहते हैं, स्लम जो रहते हैं वहाँ रहते हैं. कहाँ बैठती थी, उसकी पोजीशन क्या थी, वो क्यों बैठती थी, क्योंकि वो खुद को पता था कि मैं गरीब हूँ, एक ही ड्रेस थी उसके पास, ऐसा कुछ। उसके पास कौन बैठते थे, वही बैक बेंचर्स। But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud. मैगी और वो पैडी कहाँ बैठी हुई थी, पैगी, they were sitting on their own seat with other children who got good marks. वो अच्छे बच्चों के पास बैठी हुई थी जिन्होंने अच्छे मार्क्स लाए थे। एंड उसके जो पैर थे, they had not track in a whole lot of mud. वो पैर भी मिट्टी से नहीं सने हुए थे। Did notice that Wanda wasn't there. तब उन्होंने नोटिस किया कि वांडा तो आज भी नहीं है। Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. कौन थी पॉपुलर? Peggy. She was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty. She had many pretty clothes and hair was curly. प्यारी बच्ची। She also had many friends and her hair were curly, घुंघराले बाल। Maddie was her closest friend, और Maddie जो थी उसकी सबसे क्लोज फ्रेंड थी पैगी की। The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. कह रही है कि why they were waiting for Wanda for in school, because of Wanda they were late in the school. क्यों? हो सकता है उसको चिढ़ाने के लिए उसका वेट कर रही हो। इसमें वांडा का क्या फॉल्ट है? क्योंकि वो लड़कियां स्कूल से पहले उसका वेट करती थी उसको चिढ़ाने के लिए। वो आई नहीं, लेकिन वो सोच रही है कि उसी के कारण हम लेट हो गए। They had waited for Wanda. वो वेट करते रहे किसके लिए? वांडा के लिए। They had waited for Wanda to have some fun with her. क्या करने के लिए? To make some crack joke. And she just hadn't come. लेकिन वो नहीं आई। The girl did not come. They often waited for Wanda Petrosonki to have fun with her. Wanda Petrosonki के साथ वो वेट कर रहे थे तो उसके साथ फन करने के लिए, बट वो नहीं आ रही थी। Oral comprehension check है। Where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? क्लासरूम में वांडा कहाँ बैठती थी और क्यों बैठती थी? लास्ट बेंच जो थी उससे जस्ट पहले। Why? Because she belongs to Bogging Heights and she considered herself as a Polish girl. Actually, she was a Polish girl. That is why she used to sit behind the brilliant children. Where does Wanda live? Bogging Heights. What kind of place do you think it is? It is a place where poor people are living, where the people who migrate from other country, they are living there, slum area. When and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence? कब और क्यों पैगी और मैडी ने वांडा की एब्सेंस नोटिस की? On Wednesday, on first Monday they did not notice, Tuesday they did not notice, but Wednesday when they become late in the school, on that day particular they noticed Wanda's absence. And why? Because they used to make fun with the girl, fun of the girl. When and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence? हो गया। What do you think to have fun with her means? To have fun with her means का मतलब होता है उसको चिढ़ाना, to crack some jokes on the girl, maybe on her dress, maybe on her appearance, maybe on her language. They always makes fun with the girl. These are the oral comprehension questions. तो यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा कि एक Polish girl living in America, she had taken admission in the school and maybe she was intelligent, हो सकता है वो पढ़ाई में अच्छी हो, but now she was sitting behind all the children, just उसके पीछे बैक बेंचर्स जो होते थे, जो रफ बॉयज होते थे, वो उसके पीछे बैठते थे। एंड दे यूज टू वी कैन से ब्रिंग लॉट ऑफ ड्राई मड ऑन देयर फीट। एंड इंट्रोडक्शन कहता है कि पैगी और मैडी दे बोथ वर वेरी फर्स्ट फ्रेंड एंड बोथ द गर्ल्स यूज टू मेक फन ऑफ होम ऑफ वांदा। वांदा का क्या कराती थी, वो मजाक उड़ाती थी। दैट इज वाई व्हाट इट they were waiting on Mondays she was absent, they did not notice. On Tuesdays she was also absent, they did not notice that. But on Wednesday when they became late to enter in the school, they remembering Wanda because of Wanda they becomes late. Wanda के कारण ही वो बच्चे क्या हो गए, लेट हो गए। तो इस इतना जब पढ़ा है हमने सीखा है कि हमें किसी की अपीयरेंस या हमें किसी के रहन सहन या पहनाव के ऊपर कभी मजाक नहीं करना चाहिए। हमें कहते हैं ना कि बुक जो होती है वो अपने कवर के कारण नहीं बल्कि, ठीक है ना। इसी तरीके से ये अभी तक पढ़ा है, कल और पढ़ेंगे। ओके, बाय एवरीवन।